Is there an animal that can live forever? Like a phoenix, a vampire, dragon, etc. Some legendary creatures are said to be able to live eternally. It's just a fantasy story, and it's impossible in reality. But I think we should put that thought aside here, because there is a creature that can actually be eternal in reality. In 1988, marine biologist Stefano Pareno discovered a small species of jellyfish near Lipari Island on the southern coast of Italy. And he put the jellyfish in a tank for research purposes, in anticipation of jellyfish breeding. But he forgets this and leaves the jellyfish unattended. The doctor, who later remembered it, thinks it may have died. But it didn't. There were no jellyfish in the tank that should have died. Instead, there were just baby jellyfish. After that, Dr. Stefano Pareno began researching the amazing jellyfish, and what he found out was that the jellyfish could be reborn on its own through a unique regeneration method. This jellyfish, known as Turritopsis dohrnii, returns to its larval form when aging progresses or when it is in extreme conditions. And within 48 hours of that state, it's born again as a baby. In theory, this jellyfish can live forever if it is not eaten by its natural predators. So another name for this jellyfish is immortal jellyfish. How is this possible? To understand that, you first need to know the fundamental principles of aging. Aging is a phenomenon that occurs when cells divide and little by little the end of DNA is lost. But this jellyfish has the ability to restore the ends of the lost DNA, so it can be reborn. It's possible in theory. The jellyfish that lived during the dinosaur era could still live. However, experts say that it was only a theory, and that it would not have been possible to be killed by natural enemies or to live forever in nature due to various circumstances. This time, we talked about jellyfish that can theoretically live forever. Will there ever be a day when humans will be able to live forever through the study of jellyfish? If that day came, would you go back to your childhood? Thank you for watching. This has been Why House.